I saw a guy running right to left.
In that case, I'm gonna go right.
Oh, he hit me right in the dick. Oh, he hit me right in the tit. He hit me right in the fucking tit. Oh.
I'll do my best. I'm not very good.
Since he's the only one that can use full auto, just put their heads down. Good. Oh my God, we have a bush. Baba Yaga.
What's up, YouTube? This is Pistol Pete Shoe, and I'm here to present to you my last Airsoft video of 2022. Once again, I have teamed up with Iro Lego Man, and this is our first time playing at Outdoor Extreme Sports in Hatfield, Pennsylvania.
Crossing left. Oh, hi. Oh, hey. Marty. Incoming, straight middle. Straight ahead! My front!
In the heat of battle, the motor height adjustment screw in the pistol grip came undone, causing the motor to fall down and disengage from the gearbox.
It went out. I think it's the motor. I'm down to my sidearm.
12 o'clock, 2. I'm out. Peter, come in.
I peeked through the slit in the fence and got the drop on that opponent.
One down!
Peter, moving left, moving left.
Unlike indoor fields, outdoor fields are greatly affected by the weather, and so are its players.
Hard left, hard left.
Hit! Hit!
Okay guys, do you remember when I first played with the AAP-01 at Bellahack Airsoft?
Is that him? Is that? Hey. What the hell? I was wondering, like, I thought he was our teammate or something.
I turned it into a pistol caliber carbine.
Apparently, I have to shoot it sideways in order to make it feed properly.
You don't know how to work Hey, yo, you gotta gang that shit.
Because if I do it like this, it's inconsistent. Gravity.
You're running mid-cap?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go, go, go.
In our final game of the day, I managed to fix my primary weapon just in time for a typical team deathmatch. Moral of the story? Apply thread lock every time you adjust the motor height adjustment screw.
I think it's safe to push up.
Let's go.
Throughout 2022, I upgraded my gun's hop-up and motor. I swapped out its stock hop-up for a Max brand hop-up specifically made for ICS with a flat hop, allowing me to shoot farther.
They're not even playing anymore. They quit.
Yeah.
You guys quitting? Wanna see how much rounds this thing pushes out? Oh, come on! Call a fucking hit!
Just keep shooting!
And I swapped out its stock motor for a brushless motor made by Warhead Industries. This increases my gun's reliability, especially in prolonged battles.
Right to left! Right to left!
Since I'm mostly playing outdoors, I tend to use .32 gram BBs, which are biodegradable, travel a bit slower than .20 gram BBs, but are less affected by the wind, making them more accurate.
We thought the game was over.
Whoa.
One rotating, right?
One's going right! One's going right! Push up right! Push up right!
30 seconds!
Here at the last 10 seconds, I suffer from tunnel vision and pay the price.
Hit! Up! That was a good game.
Yeah. Just wish we weren't spawn camping so much.
And now, please enjoy these bonus scenes.
Going this way, not that way. All right, ready? Go! We're in it.
Hey, yo, tactical clear. Just tactical clear.
No, you gotta do it like this. Go,
Yo, people in the army for the first time. Is this how you shoot?
No, be like,
We're not going that way.
Yeah, I can see the fade on the top too. Yeah, fuck.
Hands up, don't shoot. Dusty, shite. Was that Dusty?
No, there's no murder hole. I thought you were gonna get a murder hole out of that.
Hit them with that. Wait, are we comparing sizes?
Oh, Kyle!
It was contested.
Kyle!
Is that Glock mag?
No,
Glock
sick.
mag. Oh, it's a signal. We're switching sides?
Yeah.
God damn.
Don't know how that happened.
Get a little ammo.
Hang on.
Can you get that back on there?
Yep.
Oh, the buckle came undone.
Yeah, the whole thing came undone.
Okay.
There you go. Or hold on, I didn't put it on the right location. My bad. I don't know how this thing works.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to go here.
Yo, bro, you may want to move behind the net.
I'm okay with getting shot.
Okay, good enough.
Hey, yo, wait. I'm gonna sit down with that.
No. You gotta do it like this, right? 360.
360.
Jumping no scale.
Just.
He's literally right over there.
Over where?
I literally saw you.
I can't. Where are you pointing? I can't
To
see.
to your left.
To my left.
Yo, twice.
More left.
Come on, really? I heard
More
you
left.
5 times.
Oh my god. More to your right.
More to my right.
Oh.
I got butt fucked. They shot me in the ass.
Again.
Thank you for watching my last Airsoft video of 2022. This is Pistol Pete Shoe signing off. Have a nice day.